Hello to all of my dear friends, welcome. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Mary from Hyperpix Productions team, and I'm back here to introduce one more of our popular products, and I'm going to show you how you can use this powerful product and convert your text or your logos just with a single click and turn it into this brilliant metallic chrome style and have an artwork and surprise your customers, and also save up to 100 times on your project time. So like all of our other products, this one also works on all different languages. For instance, this is how it works on Japanese. Is honestly beautiful, and also on every single logo you like. You can apply it. Just check out how realistic and honestly beautiful it looks. So just right now, refer to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership and access this product and all the other products and use them in all your different projects. So we just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In the window which appears right here, we have two texts. Just need to double click and type your ideal text. Notice that the first character and the last character are a little larger and are capital, and the ones in between are smaller. I'm just going to type exactly the same, so our design looks much more attractive, just like this. And the same with the text at the bottom. The first and last character are a little larger, so type exactly the same to have the same result, just like this. So guys, you can also change the font. You're totally free, and any other changes you want. For instance, the size, the distance, the size of the font. For instance, I'm just going to make a gap right here between the characters. I'm just going to decrease the gap right here. So also I want to just make my text a little longer right here. And the first and the last text have a like bend, which from warp text you can just adjust the bend, and the vertical distortion right here, which it can just have a great effect on your text, which is so attractive, which you can adjust. So I'm just going to enlarge the text at the bottom a little more. Everything's excellent, perfect. So we just close and click save. Everything's going to be applied automatically. So here's our result. Honestly, it's brilliant and fantastic. So we're going to get on with the rest of the layers. We start from the sparkles folder where our sparkles are placed, purple and green sparkles, which have a great effect. You just need to select each one of them. The green sparkles, you can just place them on the green patches. Just check out the effect after I place the sparkle. Just see how much more attractive and realistic it looks. So one by one, I'm going to select the sparkles and place them in the right place. The green ones in the green patches. So to not take the time of the video, I'm not going to continue, but don't forget to carry on. So we place the purple ones on the purple sections right here. One more here. And here we go. So we're done. Everything's perfect. And we're going to get started with the rest of the group. So we have the line folder, which is the line at the top and the bottom. Also with the text on each side, which you can just open and edit the text and change, or you can just switch off the whole layer. So we have the style folder, which contains many layers, and it creates the main style. And our designers have to work so much right here, which I just suggest you to ignore this folder because it can make some problems in your style. So finally we have lights folder right here, which is this pretty light shining from the bottom right here, which you can switch it off, switch it on. Just double click on each icon and select color overlay and have your ideal color, every single color you like. It contains two layers, so the same with the one at the bottom. So we're done with the style right here. If you want to have it in transparent, just to switch off lights, background, and sparkles folders, which you have an brilliant transparent, and the result is impressing as you see right here. You can get a PNG outcome and use it in all different projects. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this product. To download, just go to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership, and they're going to have a complete access to this product and all the other products. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our videos. Bye till next video.